This is a tutorial for setting up your Blender so that you can edit video. So I've opened Blender and this is the opening screen, and it's a little bit intimidating for somebody that's doing this for the first time. So I'm going to go up here to the screen view, and there are a couple of different, these are all the different functions that Blender does, but we want to go to video editing. So this opens the video editor, and everything in Blender is customizable in terms of like how much of the screen you want it to take up. So I'm going to go over here and just do a couple of things to set it up so that I can edit video easily. So here I'm going to go to Properties, and that's going to allow me to make some changes to a video clip that I import. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go to Add and find my movie. I know that it's on my desktop in a folder that's called Marcola Videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and add one. Add movie strip. Okay, so you can see here in the viewer that this looks really weird, and the reason that it looks weird is that the X and the Y are switched. So here I'm going to fix this to be 1080, and this one's going to be 1920. So that looks much more like what I filmed. This gentleman is teaching me about a computer program called SolidWorks. The other thing that I want to do is to make sure that my video and audio are aligned. So the lining does look like it's the same. If for some reason the green audio and the blue video don't line up, you can change the frame rate here to 24 or 25, which are the other two possibilities for what you might have captured on your video. And then just a few other tips for how you can manipulate the view on this timeline here. If you have a mouse that you're using with a roll ball, then you can use it to zoom. Because I'm using a Mac laptop, I'm going to use my two fingers to make sure that I can zoom in or zoom out to see more of the clip. And again, you can manipulate how much you're seeing through this bottom scroll bar. And then finally, I want to show you that you can go ahead and play the video. You can either use one of these two buttons down here in this control, or you can hit the space bar on a Mac and go ahead and play the animation that way. Thanks.